안녕하세요, 에리's 키친 친구분들. Today I will show you how to easily make Korean Outback's popular Toowoomba Pasta right at home. It's got the perfect restaurant quality, so let's get started. First, peel and dry the extra large shrimp. Then toast them with ketchup, olive oil, paprika, and black pepper. That ketchup is the secret for the authentic restaurant color and tangy flavor. Let them marinate. Slice your mushrooms and chop some green onions. And then crush the pepperoncini with your hands like this. Next, for the sauce, I'm using half and half today, but you can just mix equal parts of heavy cream and milk. Now add the paprika, chicken powder, salt, hot pepper powder, and black pepper right into the cup and whisk until smooth. We need 3 nests of fettuccine pasta for 1 serving. Now boil the pasta in salted water for about 7 minutes on medium-high. Keep it slightly undercooked because it will finish cooking in the sauce later. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and saute olive oil, garlic, and crushed pepperoncini for 30 seconds. Toss in the shrimp and mushrooms and cook for 2 more minutes. Pour the cream sauce into the pan and simmer for 2 minutes. Transfer the noodles straight into the sauce. Keep some pasta water on hand to adjust the consistency if needed. Toss everything together for a couple of minutes. It might look a bit watery now, but don't worry because it will thicken up quickly as you eat. So sprinkle some fresh green onions on top for color. And don't forget to grate a generous amount of fresh Parmesan cheese for the perfect finish. To balance the rich pasta, I also made a quick side salad with spring mix, cucumber, tomatoes, sweet peppers, croutons, and sweet onion, served with Italian dressing on the side. If you are planning a garden this spring, why not try planting some Korean vegetable seed? So please check out all 26 different kinds at my Korean Essence at G-Shop. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.